And we're back in the whip. We're gonna head to a waterfall, figure out the day, and then hopefully Copper Mountain, either tomorrow or the next day. So we're at the Seven Falls. This is a map. I'll post up another picture after. That's where we started. It's about a mile hike-ish. Looks pretty nice. Oh look, the Seven Falls. It's very windy. So we're at the second bridge. Wait, is this already the gift shop or is that the gift shop? I'm already lost. Bruh. There's Cheetos. Right now we're currently at the Aspen Grove picnic area. We've only walked this. We still gotta go. Alright, so I was just at the restrooms, not Food Truck Pavilion. This is Food Truck Pavilion. Yeah. You can rappel off there, that's pretty cool. It's kind of wild. No way they got elevators in this. I'm probably gonna take the stairs down. Yeah, I do not trust this elevator. Floor 2. I'm like death gripping my GoPro. One more. Is it worth the climb? Yeah. Well, go find out. Holy shit. No, I will. Oh. Holy shit. Oh, I'm getting too old. Oh, I made it up. Only a couple more stairs left. Oh. Bruh, the main area is closed. Glove. Is your glove? How's it going?
Hey.
Yo, shout out to the person who brought up the safety thing. The little wet floor, slippery. Shout out to that person. Oh my gosh. I'm not recording my way down because I gotta focus on just walking down. Oh my gosh. We made it. Oh my gosh. Oh, that couple just powered through it. I might get some food. Holy, let's get food. Oh my god, I'm dead. We're gonna try out the food here. I heard it's really expensive, but kind of worth it. Oh, more stairs. Oh my god. They stopped seating people at 4. It's 4:05. She's like, I can have you sit at 5. Bro, it's 5 minutes past. Let's go in here, buy something. 7 Falls off the bucket list. Wasn't really on the bucket list, but I feel like that would be a good contender if you're out here. I'm too big to do the zip line. You have to be 250 or less. But I would snap that. I'll go and just die. I was planning on trying to drive up to Breck tonight, which I still might do, but I was planning on skiing tomorrow. So I might be dead to do it, to be honest, after this. I think I got a nosebleed up there. It's so dry. Like, yeah, I tried to sit down at that place to eat. It was 4:05. The girl's like, oh, we closed at 4. Well, you can wait for an hour, though, if you want. And I'm like, bro, you can't just sit me for... And I just couldn't be bothered. Like, I didn't say anything. I just thought, okay, never mind. And I left. But she easily could have sat me. This place is like an 8 out of 10. Probably would have been a 10 out of 10 if she was kind. It might have been above her pay grade. I'm just acting like a Karen. But she easily could have sat me. Anyways, we carry on. All the other park attendants were very nice. The lady at the front I talked to, the girl in the front, the guy who sold me the ticket, the guy who gave me directions. I'm just hating. She was just so extra for no reason. She easily could have sat me. That's coming from me. A van. It's probably for really old people, or people in wheelchairs who just can't make it up, or people who are hell out of shape like me. I think whether I'm driving or I'm walking, seeing these rocks will never get old. More people.